Hello dear students, how are you all? Hope you are safe and fine. I am your maths teacher Parul Madam. Today we are going to start mathematics lesson number 1, the fish tail. Everyone, please listen carefully and attentively. After the video is over, you are supposed to solve the given assignment based on this video. So, what are we waiting for? Let's start.
Lesson number 1, the fish tail. TALE, tail, means a story. This lesson deals with story of fish. So the lesson's name is the fish tail. What is a hike? A hike is 3-line poem in Japan. Two hikes are mentioned in your textbook. The first one is deep under the sea, see the lovely colored fish swimming peacefully. Second one, the lake, calm, smooth, still, a fish jumps up and returns, ripples shake the lake. These both are hikes. Now we will study some geometrical shapes. This is a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. Next figure is a square. A square has 4 sides. All the sides are of equal length. Our next figure is a rectangle. A rectangle also has 4 sides like a square, but in a rectangle, opposite sides are of equal length. The given shape is a circle. Examples of circle are round bangles, round clock are all circle in shape. Our next shape is an oval shape. An egg is oval in shape. I am sure you all might have studied these geometrical shapes in your 4th standard. Now we will try to draw some fishes using these geometrical shapes. The first fish shown here is made using triangles, square and rectangle. The second fish shown here is made of ovals, circle and triangles. And finally, the bottom fishes are made of oval shape, triangle shape. This biggest fish is the whale shark. This fish is not a whale, but it is a big fish. It is harmless. It does not attack humans. Whales and fishes are different. This is a whale, whereas this is a fish. The difference between whales and fish is as above. Whales breathe like human being through their nose, whereas fish does not have nose. Whales take in air, whereas fish takes in water. Whales give birth to babies, whereas fish lays eggs. A whale's tail looks like two legs, whereas a fish tail stands flat along its body. One whale shark was 18 meters long. Its weight was about 16,000 kilograms. Children, do you know weight is measured in kilograms and length is measured in meters? Okay. Now, answer the following questions. First, about how many kilograms do you weigh? Suppose your approximate weight is 30 kilograms. Second, how much will 12 children like you put together weigh? One child weighs 30 kg. So naturally, 12 children will weigh 12 times 30 equals to 360 kg. Third, how much more does the whale shark weigh than 12 children like you put together? Children, you know that a whale shark weighs 16,000 kilograms. You even know 12 children weighs 360 kilograms. Find the difference. The difference will be 15,640 kg. So, 15,640 kg more does the whale shark weigh than 12 children put together. TALE tail means story. Fish tail means story of a fish. Fish. TAIL tail means tail of a fish. The fish tail is shown in the figure. Now, we will study a new concept called schools of fish. Children, have you seen a fish ever going to school like us? Yes. Have you seen? No. Then what is this? Schools of fish? Okay, listen. Fish like to swim together in the sea in big groups called schools of fish. In their school, they feel safe. I am sure you all feel safe in your school. Am I right? Yes. Children, can you see the first fish? She has drank less water. Now see the second fish. Second fish has drank more water as compared to the first one. So she has swelled up more than the first one. Now see the third fish. The third fish has drank still more water as compared to first fish and second fish. So she looks more swell up than these both fishes. And she also looks more bigger. So to scare away the bigger fish, some small fish drink up a lot of water, swell up and look big. Thank you.